Are you having a little purr while you sleep? You're so lovely. Relax. This is Susie. Susie's about 18. She's a grand old lady. So welcome to the Zen Zone today. Today it's called Ritual Cat. There's nearly always a furry family member in the studio when we're practicing yoga and meditation. I find them remarkably calming and that they add an air of informality that's comforting mostly. Anya the puppy likes body heat, so she snuggles into people and she's generous with her kisses, although not everybody is fond of being licked by a dog. It's fascinating to watch the interactions. It's beautiful and heartwarming. But there have been times when I've had to scoop up a thoroughly overexcited Anya and pop her outside to chase whatever has caught her eye, real or imaginary. The cats tend to quietly curl up and sleep in the comfiest corner, happy to absorb and emanate the calm. So I was intrigued to find a Zen story called Ritual Cat. Zen stories capture all sorts of truths about life and death, but they're also witty, they're entertaining and humorous. Sometimes they're puzzling and even mind-bending, but they're thought-provoking and they encourage discussion, leading us to talk, think, and laugh about this wondrous and mysterious thing that we call life. So let me share with you this Zen story. Ritual Cat. When the spiritual teacher and his disciples began their evening meditation, the cat who lived in the monastery made such noise that it distracted them. So the teacher ordered the cat to be tied up during the evening practice. Years later, when the teacher died, the cat continued to be tied up during the meditation session. And when the cat eventually died, another cat was brought into the monastery and tied up. Centuries later, learned descendants of the spiritual teacher wrote scholarly treatises about the religious significance of tying up a cat for meditation practice. It kind of reminds me of the revered family recipe for lemonade passed down through generations of my family. It tastes absolutely awful. But we keep the recipe with love and tenderness. We value and respect it in its context, but it's not necessary to actually make the lemonade. And don't worry, I'm not going to tie the cat up during meditation either. Thank you for joining me today. And thank you.